Did you know the richest man in Roman history died by having molten gold poured down his throat? Marcus Crassus was wealthier than Pompey and Caesar combined, but his fortune came from a twisted scheme. He ran Rome's fire brigade, but with a cruel twist. When buildings caught fire, his men would arrive and watch them burn. They'd only put out the flames after desperate owners sold their property to Crassus for almost nothing. This made him incredibly rich, but he craved something more: military glory. In 53 BCE, he led 50,000 Roman soldiers into modern-day Iraq to fight the Parthian Empire. It was a disaster. 20,000 Romans died at the Battle of Carrhae. 10,000 were captured, including Crassus himself. The Parthians knew about his legendary greed, so they chose the perfect execution. They held him down and poured molten gold down his throat, mocking him with the words, "Satisfy your thirst for gold." His severed head was later used as a prop in a Greek play. The greediest man in Rome met the most ironic end imaginable.